Hi, boys and girls. I am going to start, well, Mrs. Gallagher and I are going to start doing the phonemic awareness. That's all about sounds and how we hear sounds. We're going to start recording these lessons so we can do them. You can do them at home by yourself where it's just you and me. Okay, kiddo? Okay, so the first thing we're always going to do is the rhyming words. So I'm going to say two words. They might or may not rhyme, so you're going to say the words after me. So I will let you know if they rhyme or not, but you're going to try to beat me, okay? So the first one, vine, verse. Do they rhyme? Vine, verse. No, they don't. They have the same beginning. They don't have the same ending. I hope you beat me. We're going to go a little bit faster. Rent, bent. They rhyme. Soft, spike. Hard, card. Are you beating me? Peach, neat. Peach, neat. They were tricky. They were very similar, but they did not rhyme. Last one, loop, soup. Definitely. Okay, I'm going to give you two words, and they both have the same beginning sounds. You have to tell me what that beginning sound is. Does, door. D. I hope you said D. Nest, nose. Juice, just. What's the beginning sound? J. Zoom, zap. Z. Voice, vet. Okay, I hope you're doing well. Now this time I'm going to give you two syllables and you're going to put them together. Okay? Welcome. Welcome. Picture. Picture. And take your picture. Sunny. Sunny. Blanket. Blanket. Pretzel. Pretzel. Winter. Winter. After. After. Okay, I hope you put all of those syllables together and made new words. So this time, I'm going to give you the word and you need to, this is where you do the choppers. This is kind of new. Mrs. Gallagher did this with you today. Well, I guess technically by the time you watch that, she did it with you yesterday. So I'm going to give you a word that has two syllables in it. It has two parts, and we're going to chop those parts. Okay, so I'll do the first one with you right away, okay? So the word is princess. So you're going to repeat after me. Princess, princess. Good, so we're going to go princess. Chop that, princess. The next one, elbow, elbow. Monkey, monkey. Bacon, bacon. Pencil, pencil. Last one, ticket, ticket. Okay, so you were chopping those. They're two syllable words. That's something brand new. They were syllables. Now this time you're going to add ist to the end of the word. Every single word you're always going to add ist. So if I said nice, you're going to say nicest. Like you're the nicest kid in the world. Nicest. Okay, so we're always adding ist. Ooh, say dark. Dark. Now add ist. Darkest. Now say large. Now add ist. Largest. That's the largest pumpkin I've ever seen. Everyone say high. Now add ist. Highest. It was the highest roller coaster in the world. Last one. Great. At-ist. Greatest. Okay, good. All right. And then, oh, this is another brand new thing. Should we try one more brand new thing? Sure. Why not? I can do it, Mrs. Kreuzer. Okay, this time I'm going to give you a word and you're going to take off the at the end. So if I said funnier, you're just going to say funny. We're taking off the off of every single word. Heavier, take off heavy. Easier, take off Easy, this might not be easy. We'll keep trying. Happier, happy. Okay, that was a little tricky. We'll do that more. And my letters are all the way over there. We're going to skip the letter part today, okay? You know what we can do, though? Let's say the letters. We're not going to sing the letters in the alphabet. We're just going to say them, okay? And you're going to say it with me. I'm sorry. Let's say the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I know some of you are thinking, I went faster than Mrs. Kreuzer, but I didn't want you to go faster. I wanted you to stay right with me, okay? And the very last thing, I'm going to give you a couple of sentences and we're going to find out how many words are in the sentence. Okay, repeat the sentence just like if we were doing it live and in person. The girls can kick far. Let's clap it out. The girls can kick far. The girls can kick far. 5 words. I like to play at school. I like to play at school. How many words? 6. The class was loud. The class was loud. 4 words. I have a little tickle in my throat. Hold on. Okay, a little bit better. And the last sentence. I was trying so hard to keep going. The last sentence. My team won the game. My team won the game. My team won the game. 5 words. Great job, everybody. Bye-bye.